Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to spot for the boldest and most exciting wheels on the road. Today we're diving into a masterpiece of American engineering and RV luxury, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. The W900 has always been an icon in the trucking world, known for its long-nosed design, roaring power, and classic style. But the 2025 Motorhome Edition takes that legendary platform and transforms it into a rolling palace. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 W900 Motorhome keeps that unmistakable Kenworth chrome grille, but now features modernized LED lighting, a panoramic roofline over the cab, and high-end paint options. It's a vehicle that doesn't just move, it arrives. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it's long, sleek, and bold, turning heads whether parked or powering down the highway. Under the hood, you've got a beast, the latest Cummins X15 Performance Series. Engine pushes out up to 605 horsepower with 2,250 lb-ft of torque. That means effortless towing and smooth, cruising even while carrying all the luxuries of home. Paired with an Eaton Endurant 18-speed automated transmission, the ride feels powerful yet controlled. Step inside, and you're welcomed by true motorhome luxury. The cockpit features a leather-wrapped steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment, and digital gauges that blend modern tech with old-school charm. The real magic, though, is in the living area. You get a full-size lounge with power recliners, an electric fireplace, a 55-inch smart TV, and surround sound. The kitchen? Absolutely stunning. Granite countertops, induction cooktop, convection oven, residential refrigerator. Everything built for long, comfortable journeys. Moving back, there's a spa-inspired bathroom with a full shower, vanity, and even heated flooring. And the bedroom? A queen or optional king-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and underbed storage that feels more like a hotel suite than a truck conversion. And let's not forget the tech. The 2025 W900 Motorhome comes loaded with solar charging, smart climate control, security cameras, and even voice-activated interior lighting. Wi-Fi boosters and satellite connectivity ensure you stay connected wherever you roam. In terms of driving, the W900 surprises with its balance. The air suspension system makes long trips feel easy on your back, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring help reduce stress behind the wheel. This isn't just a truck converted into an RV. It's a custom-built home on wheels, designed for those who want to enjoy the open road in style, with zero compromise on comfort or power. So who is the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome for? It's perfect for luxury travelers, digital nomads, or even full-time RVers who want the heart of a trucker and the soul of a luxury home. Whether you're boondocking in the mountains or rolling through desert highways, this rig gives you total freedom, power, and elegance. And yes, it's a premium investment. But when you combine the durability of Kenworth, the strength of a semi, and the finesse of a high-end RV, you're getting one of the most reliable and stunning homes on wheels money can buy. Would you take this luxury giant across the country? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels, where passion meets performance, and every wheel has a story. See you in the next one.